boots were $100. I got them for $5. That's insane. You guys, we are back. We are here with a Nasty Gal haul. I am here to show you. They had this giant sale that was like everything was $5 and under. My bra is not from Nasty Gal, but this little set is, and I've just kind of been wearing it open today. It's 90 degrees here, but when I went to walk Ellie, I didn't want to get a sunburn, so I threw this on. It's like this towel material, little shorts. These are a little too big. I don't know what size I got this in. I got it in a 4, which is my normal size. That's okay. And then it came with this top that's cute. It's like a little baggier, little oversized, which I love. Like white lace bra underneath this with like a little bun, some gold hoops, some cute little slide-ons or little sneakers or something. So next I have these little biker shorts. They're ribbed, which I love. They're very comfortable. The only thing is, I'm not showing you anything down here. I like to pull my shorts up. I like them to be high-waisted, and the sides can do that, but there's not enough material in the front, so it's just like going up. But they're cute, they're very cozy. I'm going to keep them. This is my favorite thing about a fresh sweatshirt. You guys, I have cute spring stuff, so hold on, it's not all loungewear, I promise. Like, this is gonna keep me really freaking warm, you know? But I love her, she's cute, cozy, easy. This one is plain, right? But the back has a self-care list. How cute is that? Gratitude, patience, let go, be kind to yourself, or be kind to your body, self-care, believe in yourself. I'm reading it backwards in the mirror. We all need that reminder, self-care is important. Call me Lizzie McGuire because I'm feeling like that. Literally, I got a cow vest. I don't really know what prompted me to get this. I think because I've been looking for something funky, and I also just like, I kind of want to crop the vest. That'll make it, like, could you imagine? Imagine that. Girl, yes, I like everything cropped, it's fine. Matcha break, matcha break. Next, I got these 2 turtlenecks, and they're ones that sit like this, right? They sit like this. You get the picture. It's too hot. I'm not putting on a turtleneck right now. I know it's cropped. I'm not doing it. But I got a black one and a white one. Imagine these with a lacy bra peeking out underneath. You get it. I got this long, like, sage green jacket kind of a thing. Like, the material feels like a really light denim. It feels a little stiff. That's okay. But it is very light, and it goes super long. I also, what size did I get this in? I got this in a size 8, which I'm typically a 4, but I wanted it to be really big and oversized. This I love. I rolled up the sleeves a little bit. Imagine some gold jewelry, some cute little shoes on, a little bun or something, gold hoops. You can kind of like let it hang. I love anything that I can just like hang, and it covers me in the back and it still just looks cute from the front. I love just having cute little cover-ups like this. I bought 3 pairs of denim from Nasty Gal. None of them fit. They were all too tight in the legs. I even got like mom jeans, boyfriend jeans. They were all too tight, and then the waist was too big. I found 1 pair that I think I like. I don't know, so I just don't even have it in the haul because I don't want to put it in here if I don't even like it. And then I got these shorts because look at the butt. These are a little too tight on me. Mind you, I got all the denim in a size 4, which is my typical size. But even if I sized it up, the waist would just get bigger. It doesn't matter. So I can't decide if I'm gonna keep these or not. They're a little tight, which is why I'm not putting them on at the moment. But I think either way, I'm gonna try to get a photo with these because stars on my ass, are you kidding? I love that. If there's anything I think you should know about me in this moment, it's that I'm loving big pants. Look at these pants. You still can't even see my feet. What? But it's, they go all the way down. They're huge. I love them. I love that they're a dress pant. I can keep these forever. They're so cute. I love the color of them. They fit so nicely. These with like a cute little tiny crop top, not my bra. Unless it's like a cute, nice bra, and then some heels. That is my new vibe, guys. This is how I'm trying to show you my pants. I don't know how to show you my, you would think after almost, what, 7 years on YouTube, I would know how to show you my full pants yet. I don't. They had this more as like a dressy set, but I feel like to me this is more of like a cute loungy set. It's all ribbed. It's really comfortable. Boop, 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 booty. Love it. I wouldn't wear my bra underneath, obviously. Now, these pants, look, do you see the shine of these pants? These green, are you kidding me? I don't even know what material this is, but they're very light. They have this really beautiful shimmery sheen to them. I love the color. They fit me perfectly. Like, this is just how I want all my pants to fit, because they're baggier, but they still give me a cute little butt. I also got this cute little bikini top. I got this in green as well as like a creamy off-white. Cute, right? Love, okay. And normally I would never think I'd be getting bikini tops without bottoms, but I like these tops to throw under like that big jacket that I got, the green one, things like that, because it just gets so hot here. Living in the desert, I live in Las Vegas, it's so hot, it's too hot to wear a top, honestly. And wearing a bikini top with just like something high-waisted and then like a cute little throw over or whatever. I also got these, it's just the simple triangle ones because you can tie them in so many different ways. I actually have a video on how you can tie your triangle bikini tops in different ways, so if you want to see that, I will either put it at the end of the video or link it somewhere. It'll be around here somewhere. It's on my channel. So I have this bra here covering on my nipples just in case you can see them. I can't really see them in person, but people on the internet get weird. So cute little bra. I love the style of this. I love how it goes like that. And then this came with a matching little thong. So cute. I also got this exact set in a pink as well, so cute. And then I got this gray set. I for sure cannot try this on. It's all lace, you can see everything. But what is the name of this? I forget every time. It goes around your waist. It's a little big on me, so I have to like kind of adjust it. And it has the straps that go around your thighs. This set comes with like this very high-waisted little cheeky underwear, little thong. And then it has these straps on the side, which I almost feel like they didn't need. They feel a little big on me. But I also just like have a very tiny middle, but love it, super cute. But these go very high-waisted, which I love. And then this came with this cute little easy bralette, but I will let you know, I cut off little strings off of this. There were extra little bands around it and they were just too baggy on my boobs. Like they just didn't like sit nice on my boobs. They looked too big, so I just cut them off. This is completely see-through, so I'm definitely not trying this on. This cute little polka dot set, very cute, fits perfectly. Again, with the cute little thong. I will say the thong bottom is a little big on my waist. Not too much, it's a little bit, but like I said, my waist is small, and so most things don't fit, so that's just my life. This cute little guy for around your waist, but the thing that is a little confusing to me, it's very cute, but I'm confused with the fact that this pattern just doesn't match this. This is pink lacy, right? So cute. You would think this would come with the last pink lacy set, but it didn't. Came with this one, which is like polka dot see-through lace, and then like floral lace. I don't know why those were put together. To me, that doesn't make sense, but either way, super cute. I'll probably wear this one with the other pink one. I can't believe I almost forgot these shoes, you guys. Look how cute these are. These remind me, there's like this picture from the 90s with these like really slick black boots like this, so I love them. These were $5 for this pair. These were originally $100. These boots were $100. I got them for $5. That's insane. They smell like Payless. Remember that smell of Payless shoe place when you're a kid? Easy, they have a square toe, super cute. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. What kind of style videos would you like next? Besides hauls, because we'll always be around, would you like a week in my style, like a reality of what I'm wearing, Instagram outfits, recreating Pinterest outfits? What are you wanting from me? Let me know in the comments below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon. Mwah. Bye, guys.